Welcome to an extraordinary journey, a journey that will empower you to unlock the incredible secrets of gut health. If you've ever wondered how to rejuvenate your life, feel your best, and experience the vitality you deserve, you're in the right place. Today, we're about to embark on a deep exploration of the profound impact your gut has on your overall well-being. It's not just about digestion, it's about revitalizing your inner health for a better, more vibrant life. So let's dive in. The gut-body connection. Our journey begins with the gut-body connection, a vital and complex network that often goes underestimated. Your gut is much more than just a digestive organ. It's a thriving metropolis, home to trillions of microorganisms orchestrating a remarkable ecosystem. It's not only your second brain communicating directly with your central nervous system, but it also has a profound influence on your mood, cognitive functions, and even your stress levels. Additionally, it serves as the cornerstone of your immune system, a guardian that defends you against a multitude of illnesses. Moreover, your gut is closely linked to weight management, playing a significant role in influencing your metabolism and the way your body processes food. We'll dive deep into this fascinating connection, revealing how it influences various facets of your life. The microbiome marvel. Visualize your gut as a bustling city, teeming with a diverse population, each playing a unique role in your well-being. Beneficial bacteria, often considered the superheroes of your microbiome, are the key to efficient digestion, nutrient absorption, and maintaining a robust gut lining. Yet, when harmful bacteria begin to overpower them, this delicate balance is disrupted, leading to discomfort and negatively impacting your overall health. Your microbiome's equilibrium isn't just confined to your gut. It has intriguing implications for the health of your skin, often resulting in a radiant complexion when it's in perfect harmony. Nourishing your gut garden. Let's focus on how to nourish your gut garden, a journey that will transform your gut into a haven of well-being. Just as a thriving garden requires fertile soil and the right nutrients, your gut thrives on a specific mix of foods. Fiber-rich vegetables and fruits offer essential nourishment for your beneficial gut bacteria, promoting healthy digestion and nutrient absorption. Probiotic-rich fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi introduce a symphony of beneficial bacteria, fostering balance and maintaining a resilient gut lining. In addition, we'll explore the significance of antioxidants and polyphenols found in colorful fruits, vegetables, and even dark chocolate. These compounds act as superfoods for your gut, reducing inflammation and supporting the health of your microbiome. Crafting gut-boosting meals is essential for maintaining a healthy and balanced microbiome. Here are some practical tips to help you create such meals. Incorporate fiber-rich foods. High-fiber foods like whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables are excellent for your gut. They provide nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria and promote regular bowel movements. Include foods like brown rice, quinoa, oats, beans, and a variety of fruits and vegetables in your meals. Embrace fermented foods. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics, the friendly bacteria that support your gut health. Include options like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha in your diet. These foods introduce beneficial microbes to your gut, aiding digestion and promoting balance. Diversify your diet. A diverse range of foods means a diverse range of nutrients for your gut. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, as well as different types of proteins, lean meats, fish, tofu, and legumes, to ensure a well-rounded nutrient intake for both you and your gut bacteria. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives that can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome. Minimize your intake of sugary snacks, highly processed foods, and sugary beverages. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is vital for a healthy gut. Proper hydration supports the movement of food through your digestive system and helps your gut function optimally. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Choose lean proteins. Opt for lean protein sources like poultry, fish, and plant-based options such as tofu and legumes. Protein is essential for maintaining and repairing your body, and it contributes to a healthy gut as well. Practice portion control. Overeating can strain your digestive system and disrupt gut health. Pay attention to portion sizes and eat mindfully to avoid overconsumption. Limit artificial sweeteners. Some artificial sweeteners can negatively impact your gut bacteria. If you use sweeteners, consider alternatives like stevia, honey, or maple syrup in moderation. Include anti-inflammatory foods. Chronic inflammation in the gut can lead to health issues. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods such as turmeric, ginger, and omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon to help soothe your gut. Moderate alcohol and caffeine. Excessive alcohol and caffeine can irritate the gut lining. Limit your intake of these substances to support your gut health. Chew your food thoroughly. Properly chewing your food aids digestion. Chewing breaks down food into smaller particles, making it easier for your gut to process. Meal planning. Plan your meals in advance to ensure you have a balanced diet. This can help you avoid impulsive, less healthy food choices. Remember that everyone's gut is unique, so it's essential to pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Probiotics, your gut's best friends. These friendly bacteria are your first line of defense, preventing harmful microbes from taking control. Probiotics play a pivotal role in facilitating digestion, fortifying the immune system, and offering numerous health benefits. Consuming foods rich in probiotics such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi introduces these beneficial bacteria into your gut, promoting balance and harmony within this intricate ecosystem. By maintaining a healthy balance of probiotics, you're not only supporting efficient digestion, but also strengthening your body's defense mechanisms. Probiotics can even be instrumental in managing gastrointestinal issues, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and reducing the risk of infections. Prebiotics, the fuel for your gut. These non-digestible fibers act as nourishment for your beneficial gut bacteria, creating an environment where these microorganisms can flourish. Prebiotics are found in a variety of foods, such as garlic, onions, asparagus, and whole grains, and they serve as the secret sauce that keeps your probiotics active and thriving. We'll delve into the significance of prebiotics and how they contribute to the longevity and health of your microbiome. Incorporating prebiotic-rich foods into your daily menu ensures not only better digestion, but also reduced inflammation and an overall boost in your well-being. So there you have it, the complete guide to unlock the secrets to optimal gut health. If you've enjoyed this journey and found it enlightening, please show your support by hitting the like button and sharing your thoughts in the comments. If you're eager to continue your journey toward better health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your path to a better, more vibrant life begins today. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey.